하하, 저기 새내기가 오는군. 등록금을 받아라.
난 500이야.
난 800이야. 아!
Yeah, let me get your cube back. No muss. No fuss.
What is Phase 2? Phase 2 is S.H.I.E.L.D. uses the cube to make weapons. Sorry, computer was moving a little slow for me.
Rogers, we gathered everything related to the Tesseract. This does not mean
I'm
that we're
sorry,
making...
Nick. What were you lying?
I was wrong, Director. The world hasn't changed a bit.
Did you know about this?
You want to think about removing yourself from this environment, Doctor?
I was in Calcutta. I was pretty well removed.
Loki is manipulating you.
And you've been doing what exactly? I'd like to know why S.H.I.E.L.D. is using the Tesseract to build weapons of mass destruction.
Because of him.
Me.
Like you controlled the cube?
It is a signal to all the realms that the Earth is ready for a higher form of war.
You forced our hand. We had to come up
A
with
nuclear deterrent. Because that always calms everything right down.
Remind me again how you made your fortune, Stark.
I'm sure if he still made weapons, Stark would be neck deep.
Wait, hold on. How is this now about me?
I'm sorry, isn't everything?
I thought humans were more evolved than this.
Excuse me, did we come to your planet?
Treat your champions with
You're
such
not my
mistrust.
Are you boys really
What
that
is it about me
naive?
that bothers you so
S.H.I.E.L.D.
much?
monitors
I'm
potential
curious.
threats.
Captain America's on threat watch?
We all
Not
are.
your concern, Doctor.
여보세요?
선배님 안녕하세요. 저 1호학번 새내기예요. 저번에 사주신 넉백 정말 잘 먹었어요.
웬일이야?
다름이 아니라요. 선배님 혹시 피자 안 먹고 싶으세요? 보은은 아니니까 오해 마시고요. 사달라는 거예요. 보은 나중에 해도 되죠? 그쵸? 선배님 그럼 사주시는 거예요? 지금 애들이랑 다 같이 신천인데 바로 갈게요. 감사합니다. 야 사는데 얘들 돈 들었다.
Stark.